In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter Binance coins by daily volume, a handy skill to quickly assess which cryptocurrencies have high activity on the market. Let's dive in and walk through it step by step, ensuring we stay both informative and easy to follow. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Binance website. If you haven't visited Binance before, it's a popular cryptocurrency exchange that supports various digital currencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many altcoins. Familiarizing yourself with this platform can be quite useful for making informed trading decisions. Once you're on the Binance homepage, look towards the top of the page. Here, you should notice a tab labeled Markets. Go ahead and click on that tab. Doing so brings you to a comprehensive view of how different cryptocurrencies are performing across the exchange. This area is filled with useful data, so remember to take a moment and orient yourself to the layout. In the Markets section, you'll see multiple options, and what we want to do next is click on the option labeled More. This helps broaden the scope of the data visible, offering a fuller picture of the activity across different coins and tokens. Exploring this section can offer you insights into market movements and highlight opportunities that you may not have initially noticed. After selecting More, you'll be directed to another page showcasing more detailed statistics. The next place you want to direct your attention is the 24H Change tab. When you click on this, you should find an option appearing with the label Top Gainers. Selecting top gainers is key to understanding which cryptocurrencies have had the most significant changes within the past day, offering an indication of which might be gaining traction in the market. Finally, to pinpoint those coins that have experienced the highest activity, find and click on the Volume option. This option allows you to sort the list by 24-hour trading volume, bringing to the top those coins that traded most heavily during that period. Tracking volume is essential as it not only shows interest in a particular coin, but may also reflect stability and potential liquidity when deciding to trade. With this setup, you can effectively filter and analyze cryptocurrencies on Binance by their daily volume, offering a powerful glimpse into market dynamics. Keep in mind that while this is a highly valuable tool, the world of cryptocurrencies is volatile, and it's crucial to complement this data with thorough research and an understanding of current market trends before making any trading decisions. Thank you for watching, and happy